Hi there, Steve here again. I'm back in my shed, and this time I've been given a Amazon Fire 7, I think it's a 7 tablet to try and fix. It's from a work colleague, and she says that it won't charge, so she'll pop it in, it won't charge. I've had a little look, and I don't know if I can show it very well on camera, but inside there it's been damaged, so the piece that's supposed to slot into that hole isn't there anymore. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, you can see it's there, but it's been pushed down. I think I can probably prise it up and manage to make a connection. That might work. I'm going to try that first, and obviously if that works, that'll be the end of the video and you'll never see this. But if it doesn't, I've got a new USB port for a Kindle book reader. I don't know if that'll work on this or not. Right, so I've eased it up. It felt like a proper click when I clicked it on. So I'll just connect it to this now and see if we are actually drawing anything. Okay, it's still saying 0. Okay, so no, it is going to need replacing, or at the very least resoldering. So I'll take it apart and have a look, see what sort of damage is there. I'm going to shut up now so that I can turn my fan on because it's boiling in here. Okay. Just thought I'd better say, if you're watching this and cringing right now at the way I'm doing it, it's because I don't really look up what I'm doing. This is my hobby, and I like to just take it apart, see if I can fix it. If I get stuck, if I think I'm gonna do something catastrophically wrong and break something, then I will go and have a look online, because it's not mine. If it's something I've bought myself, I'll carry on, even to the point of breaking it sometimes. So don't take this as a tutorial. This is just me going away and seeing what I can do. Okay, from aside the fact that they're both micro USB ports, these two have nothing in common with each other apart from being off an Amazon product. So nothing there lines up where this can secure, so I won't be able to put this on there and modify it slightly. So two choices I've got now is just try to refloat the solder that's on here to reconnect these points because something's loose somewhere. The other one then, if that fails, the second choice is to buy a proper replacement. So I'll go ahead and try and reflow this and see if that fixes the problem we got at the moment. So I'm quickly going to just see if the battery's drawing anything again. I'd say no. That's not the battery connector. Wait a minute. I connected the screen instead of the battery. Yeah, that's the battery connected. Just put that on there. And it's drawing now. So hopefully that's enough for a temporary fix. It withstands a slight wiggle, so I think I'll pop it back together. I'll just try it a few times, just make sure. Other than that, I'm quite happy for that. Just to say it's a temporary fix, you can back everything up. If it goes again, we can try and replace that. But for now, we'll call that done. So I'll put this back together and then I'll just try a final switch on test. Polish up, and then I mean, nothing else, at least this video shows that you don't always have to throw things away, and you don't need to change stuff all the time. Right, it's not going to let me switch it on because there's not enough battery at the moment, but that's showing the battery is taking current, so it is charging up. So I'll call that done. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you might have learnt something. I know I did. I usually do when I'm doing these videos. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on InMeShed. Take care, bye bye now.